Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the newest episode of Cooking with King Fletch. Today, I'm going to be cooking salmon, eggs, Benedict for breakfast. Yummy. Let's get right into it. So I've got some smoked salmon here. I've got some fresh dill. I've got my 4 eggs that I'm going to poach. And I've got my 2 English muffins that are already been cut in half. So what I'm going to do is, all I really have to do is toast these 2 muffins, poach my eggs, pile it all up, make it look beautiful. And voila. I'm also going to be making a Hollandaise sauce that I'm going to drizzle over the top. And I've already begun on that. So I separated my egg yolks already. I've started to whisk them together with my lemon juice. So I'm now going to take it to the stove top, get it going nice and good, put my melted butter in there, season it up. And we've got our Hollandaise sauce, and all we need to do is just be ready with our eggs Benedict. And be right back with you. This right here is 3 egg yolks and lemon juice, about a tablespoon of lemon juice, and I'm just warming this over some boiling, well, semi-boiling water. You don't want it too hot because you don't want it to actually cook the eggs, but what you do want to do is have it warm. You don't want your egg to begin to scramble. Even though this is only yolk, you still don't want that to occur because, like I said, I'm making a Hollandaise sauce. Add in my melted butter. You're supposed to add that in little by little, so that was a little. So again, Hollandaise sauce is simple. Egg yolks, lemon juice, butter, salt, and cayenne pepper to season it. And you've got a homemade Hollandaise. Stay tuned. Alright, so everything is pretty much ready. So I'm gonna just lay my salmon out here on my English muffins. This is smoked salmon. You pick it up at your local grocer. And I actually bought this pre-sliced. And just tear it up to make sure I kept the extra piece to tear up to kind of make everybody nice and full. Okay. So just pull those out. Perfectly poached. And I always drain mine first because I don't like a soggy poached egg. Sue me. But I always drain mine. For my Hollandaise sauce, just ladle that right on top. Homemade Hollandaise, by the way. And make sure you spread the love. Gotta make sure you're spreading the love with this. Be generous with your Hollandaise. Dill that I've chopped up. I just sprinkle a little bit of dill right over the top of each of these just to garnish it. Make it look nice and purty. Pretty food, purty women. I like purty. So here you have it. A nice salmon eggs Benedict with homemade Hollandaise and some nice crispy home fried potatoes. Look at that. Beautiful. Perfect. Perfectly executed.